Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Your Power. Great new song by Billie. Alright, super easy if you just want to play the chords. And then if you want to add that melody, that's cool too. We got F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play it like this with a fifth in the bass. So first finger, second finger, third finger on the A string, and pinky on the D string. Then A minor. 1, 2, 3. And E minor. 1, 2. So here's the switching. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. A minor, 3, 4, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. A minor, E minor. So go down, hit the bass note, and then down now with the higher notes. So you get that swing. A minor, same thing. Same thing with the E minor. We have that cool melody, and we can either play it inside the chords, okay, so over F major, we gotta play, lift our first finger up. And then we gotta hit E, which is second fret D, F, third fret, back there to E. That's gonna take us to the A minor, and then over the E minor we want to play G string to A string, holding second fret. So that whole thing is. Play it higher up, which it sounds like they are doing, or it's both together, I don't know. So on the B string that would be 13 to 12, then 5, 6, 5, new string, 3 on E, and then open B. And when you play these first notes, you can include the high E string too. It sounds pretty cool. And then it ends with. So that's E, 5th fret, B string. 2, 3, and then 1 open. So that's the whole song pretty much. They only play the melody in the beginning and towards the end, the very end. So super cool song. Let's review everything. We got F major, this kind of F with third in the bass, A minor, and E minor, and the strumming is. Thanks guys for tuning in. Fun times. Great on the acoustic, because that's what it is. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic tunes. Thank you. Be safe.